Hi, welcome to my video on cyclic points and cyclic quadrilateral number 3. Number 1, ABPG is a cyclic quadrilateral. The arc ABP is 210. Find the measure of angle ABP. So let's draw a circle. And we have a cyclilateral, a cyclic quadrilateral. And we'll go this way, A, and we'll put A is here, B is here, P, and G. Cyclic quadrilateral has concyclic points lying, the vertices lie on the circle, and the arc APB is 210. So this arc from here to here is 210. And because we have, this is the arc, the angle AGP is intercepting this arc. So the AGP is an inscribed angle, so it's half the arc. So this angle G is 110. And because this is a cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles are supplementary. So that means that 110 plus angle B is equal to 180. So angle B is equal to 180 minus 110. So angle B is equal to 70 degrees. And that's the angle B that's the angle ABP. 70. Number 2, EFHI is a cyclic quadrilateral. Angle E is x squared plus 2x. Angle H is 60. Find x. Again, we have a circle, a cyclic quadrilateral, E, F, H, I, and we go around that order, and I join these up. So these are the points E, F, G, H lie on the circle. We join up and we have a cyclic quadrilateral. Angle E is x squared plus 2x. Angle H is 60. And that means that we have a cyclic quadrilateral. So that means angle E is supplementary to angle H. That means that angle E plus angle H is adding up to 180, definition of supplementary angles. So angle E is x squared plus 2x. Angle H is 60, and that adds up to 180. So because we got a quadratic, we have to be careful. Because we have a quadratic, we'll move all terms to the left side. So the 180 becomes a minus. So we have x squared plus 2x minus 120 degrees equals 0. Quadratic, hopefully it's factorable. Let's check. So we have a product is a negative 120, and we have a sum of 2. So the factors of 120 to give me 2, there's many, but I can see a 12 times 10 gives me 120, and the product is negative. So one of them is negative and one is positive, but the sum is 2, so it has to be a plus 12 minus 10. So it's x plus 12 minus 10. And so that means we have x plus 12 equals 0, or we have x minus 10 is 0. These are degrees, so x is negative 12 and x is 10. So we check. We got to check the negative 12 now, so we got to check x squared plus 2x. So x is negative 12, so we sub it in. So that's 144 minus 24, so that's 120. So this angle is 120 and 60 is 180, so that's okay. Let's check with if x is 10. So x squared plus 2x. we have 10 squared plus 2 times 10. 10 squared is 100. 2 times 10 is 20. Again, we got 120. So 10 works. So x says, even though this is negative, it still fits to make the angle positive. So there's two answers, negative 12 and 10. Okay, let's continue. And we have number 3, we have ABTP is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABTP is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now, number A, or part A, angle A is 2 to the x plus 3. So angle A is 2 to the x plus 3. Angle T, so that's 2 to the x plus 3. Angle T is 148 degrees. Find x. And again, we have angle A is supplementary to angle T. That means that angle A plus angle T is equal to 180, which means angle A is 2 to the x plus 3. And add on, angle T is 148 equals 180 degrees. So we solve this as an exponential. So let's see, we got 2 to the x plus 3 equals 180 minus 148. 2 to the x plus 3 equals, and 180 minus 148 is 32. So this exponential got a base 2. So is it possible to write 32 with a base 2? 32 is 4 times 8. 4 is 2 times 2. 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. So 32 is 2 to the 5, same base. Since the bases are the same, x plus 3 equals 5. X equals 5 minus 3. So x becomes 2. Okay, B part. Angle P, which is right here, is the log of 5, and the base is the root of 90, base 5. Angle B is the log of y minus 10, and the base again is the root of 90, base 5. We know that these are opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral, so angle P is supplementary to angle B. So that means angle P plus angle B equals 180. So that means that the log of 5, this is the root of 5, and again the root is 90 here. Angle B is the log of y minus 10, and the base is the root of 90 base 5, and that equals 180. So we have a log equation with the logs on one side. So what we have to do is combine these logs. Because we're adding, the sum of two logs is the log of the product. So this is the log of 90 base 5, and it's 5 times y minus 10. So the sum of two logs is the log of the product when the bases are the same. Base is the root of 90 base 5, and this one's the root of 90 base 5, so we multiply. Now we have one log, so we have, this is, just to review, this is the log, this is the base, and this is the number, or the number of the exponent. So this is the number, and this is the exponent, e. So base, exponent, number. So what we have here, this is the base. So this conversion is base, exponent, number. So we have the root of 5, or the 90th root of 5 raised to 180 equals 5 times y minus 10. So that's base exponent number. Base exponent number. So this is converted. So we have, this is 5. Let me take that rule. Let me take that. Sorry about that. Let me take the 5 away. And so this is the 90 goes to the denominator. The power 180 goes to the numerator. Just to make sure I'm doing it right. Sorry about that layer there. And 180 over 90 is 5 squared. 180 divided by 90 is 2. So that's 5. So I got 2 choices. Well, I'll change the 5 squared first. Now I have 2 choices. I can multiply 5 by the y minus 10. Or, because that's a multiplication, I can divide by 5. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. 5 divided by 5 gives me y minus 10. So y equals 5 plus 10. So y equals 15. So I made up these 2 questions, even though we're doing circles. I just wanted to do more algebra, so I reviewed the concepts of exponentials, and I reviewed the concept of logs. Always good to have extra questions. That's what makes the math so good, and you need to know your background. So that brings us to the end of this video, and if you like the video, click the like button. If you wish, click the subscribe button, and visit my website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. That's the content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained, just one word. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video helped you. Bye-bye.